Welcome back, everyone. Please hit like and subscribe. It's about 1:30 on Sunday. Cutting it a little short today. They're expecting rain. Just checked the radar, so I felt the drop, so I have to put everything away. But anyway, it's getting too heavy to move myself at this point. But put it in the front hatch, and here is basically going to be the electrical system. So I plan on mounting, put in 3/4 ply on all sides. Gonna mount everything, and then probably put like some kind of shelf along the top once I get the door. See how much room I have above, so I might have to be able to sneak extra storage up top. So there'll be a little bit up there, electrical cable, stuff like that. The other side, this side, is just going to be the diesel heater on the ground. It's going to go exhaust out, and then here I cut out for the air conditioning. So I have to put extra wood on the back here to mount the fuel tank. So I'll do that once I figure out where I'm exactly going to mount the diesel heater down there. So I'll put some wood up front. So been using this VHP tape. It's been pretty good. It holds pretty good. I can't really complain. So that's going along. Inside is not finished by any means. Got to put trim around. Windows are cut out. Doors are cut out. Air conditioning is cut out. I seem to be attracting bees and everything else for all the, I guess, glue and polyurethane. Anyway, insulation's done there. This board here is in the back. I'm gonna mount a Pelican case here, and then have a hot water shower. So figure it's nice to have it in the back. Could reach it around, use it in the galley as well. So that should be fine. But any questions, any suggestions, please let me know. Love any help. But thanks a lot, and hit like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.